have in my hand a 10 watt outdoor LED floodlight with infrared sensor. Basically there's motion detection on it. This is an extremely energy efficient floodlight. It's a 10 watt LED, but it's the equivalent of a 94 watt halogen bulb. In terms of the life expectancy of the bulb, it's 40,000 hours. So basically it's the equivalent of turning on this and leaving it run for 5 years continuously before you'd expect to need the bulb to be replaced. So effectively this is a once off. You never need to replace it on it in the general setup on it. Okay, it's suitable for both commercial and domestic installations. And I'm just going to give an overview of exactly what you get, and then we'll come along and we'll look at the actual unit in some detail here. So it comes in this outer box here. You can see the general specification on it, and you can see that it is obviously AAA rated. Okay, well, A plus actually, A plus plus. We have this user manual here then as well. It just covers the specification of the full range, things like that. So it's just a basic information on it. And then we're on to the main event here. So the first thing to note is it comes with a 50 centimeter lead here. So you can see the 3-wire input on it. So we have the main event, which is the LED bulb here. We have the sensor below here. So we can set up the detection angle at 140 degrees. And in terms of the adjustment on this, we can see that we can angle it around to set it up at the point exactly where we need it. If we look on the back of the unit, we'll see here that we have it's IP54, so it's rated for outdoor use, and we have a series of adjustments here along the bottom unit on it. Okay, so what we could do here is we have a sensor here where we're adjusting, we'll say, the level of sensitivity, so the range in which to be picking up motion from. We also have a timer setting here, so we can set it from 5 seconds all the way out to 5 minutes. So when something triggers this and gets it to come on, we can change how quickly it'll turn off. And then there's a look setting, so you can specify, do you want it to come on at dusk or only pure darkness. So we're just adjusting that there as well. So the overall unit then itself, it's just a really neat design. Now this is part of a much wider range that we have. We have them with and without IR sensors, and we have them all the way up to 50 watt, and in fact it's larger inside the range as well, but 50 watt is the max we're currently stocking on it. This particular unit here, inside the range we also have LED bulbs as well, and people are obviously moving towards LED lighting simply because the savings on it are huge, because it's about 10 times more efficient than using a halogen bulb, and also there's regulatory regulations coming down the line which is forcing people to move away from non-energy efficient to this like this. So there's a lot of future proofing in investing in something like this. The company behind this is called Ledino. They're a company based in Germany, and this particular product here, it's a patented design on it. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 10 watt outdoor LED floodlight.